Why is this sound so annoying? Bzzzzz. It's not just the sound of wings. It is a frequency of death. Do you know why it must scream in your ear? Mosquitoes have evolved for millions of years for one purpose: to trigger the rage centers in your brain instantly. This frequency is designed to bypass logic and trigger panic. Why did nature do this? Because for our ancestors, one bite meant death, malaria, dengue, and brain parasites. Your body learned to hate that sound more than anything. It is the world's most effective biological alarm. If their sound were pleasant, you'd be extinct by now. Your hatred is nature's way of keeping you alive. So, when you hear that sound tonight, type hate if you can't stand that sound either. Follow for more dark secrets of nature before they find you.